Welcome back to the channel, guys. Cleanthen Malope again here. Now, for those who don't know, in this channel we learn about forex. We also share profits in terms of what is the progress of each individual. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how my students are doing in my with my robot, and also I'm gonna teach you how you can become a profitable trader as well, or you can either get my robot, the Ghost Ultra 5.0. But then nevertheless, I'm here to tell you guys that today, guys, there is another way for you to make money. For those who didn't see the previous video I did where I was teaching you guys how to trade NASDAQ 100, but then it was mainly on a downtrend. So the next video that is coming is going to be on an uptrend. So but today when I talk about other streams of income, what is the other streams of income that you can do online in an online space overall? What is it that you can do to make money? It doesn't matter which country you are from, because all countries have got access to YouTube. All countries have got access to social media, so you can make money online, right? So but today, guys, okay, before we can even go further, make sure you click that subscribe button so that you stay alerted every time I post a new video or I upload a new video. If you want to see my previous videos where I've shared a lot of incredible knowledge, just go back in my previous videos, go search, you will see the other videos and learn from there. Now, to continue with the topic of today, other income streams online are the first one, the thing that you are watching right now, the YouTube. You can create a YouTube channel and educate people on what you know. So the basic here is for you to have something to share with the public, with the world. If you've got something to share, of course, you can actually create a YouTube video, YouTube videos. Make money from that. Of course, there are requirements for that. You gotta have a 1,000 subscribers, and you gotta have 4,000 watched hours. So those are the pre-qualifications. Now you must have those for you to be able to make money from AdSense. But then also remember, AdSense is not the only option for you to make money from. You can make money from sponsorship. You can talk with a company and tell them that you've got an audience online where you can actually talk about their products, and they pay you for that. And also there are several. There are several like affiliate links where you can talk to anyone, any company out there. They give you a link. Every purchase that is done under that link of yours, you get money from that, some sort of commission, right? There are many things that you can do in the YouTube space, because this is your TV, right? You can do literally anything you want with it. So this is your TV. You can talk to anybody to collaborate with you and all that. So that being said, the second stream of income that is out there, which I've never used it, but I see a lot of people using it, you see. So you can actually review people's articles. So there are people out there, there are vloggers out there who are writing, but then, you know, when you're a writer, you can't really tell whether you've done a mistake or not, because you are the writer. You can't still be the same person who reviews your own work. So there are people out there who you can review their work, and then after that they can pay you maybe per hour or 30 minutes or whatever the case may be, per your agreement, you guys. So you can agree on how to go about doing it. So you can review people's works. There are websites out there where people go in with their work, and then they explain everything, guys. Just go and search for review works online. How to review or maybe review people's works. Yeah, whatever the case, just type in there. Do your English there, and then it will pop up. So the third stream of income that you can go into in the online space is to actually invest into the new technological things like Bitcoin. You can invest it. I can see Bitcoin is at its lowest point right now, around $21,000, right, somewhere there. And it's coming from where? It's coming from $68,000. So you see that drop. If you can invest there while it is at its low, if it go back to that point, then you're gonna be making a lot of money. The other thing that you can invest into is invest into stocks. This is the fourth one. Invest into stocks. Of course, this is a slower investment. It also depends on your country, because other countries, there are companies, they don't perform that well. So investing in stocks is basically you buying shares or a portion of shares in companies. right? So instead of you going to that company and say, I want to buy shares, they can actually they actually have stock brokers where you can actually get into that, have an account with the stock broker, buy shares online, and everything is done on it. You don't even have to know anyone who's working in that company. You can literally buy Apple shares right now. You can literally buy Microsoft shares right now. You can buy any company's shares online. So things have been done easy for us. This technological stuff is making life easy for us. You can literally make a lot of money, make a living. Meanwhile, you are sitting in your office. I'm sitting in my office right now. I'm making a living in the online space. You can literally do the same thing. So it's actually that easy, guys. So the fifth thing that I want to share with you guys that is has actually worked for me. It's online, but it's also not online. Investing in REITs. REITs is a real estate shares, right? So you are basically buying shares or that are focusing basically on real estate. So they are called REITs, right? You buy them online. So you instead of you going and buying an apartment, right? You don't have that much. If you do go buy that apartment, there is no reason for you to be going through the REITs, what. But there are benefits for you going through the REITs way, right? If you go the REITs way, you don't have to maintain the maintenance and all these things that come with you buying a physical building. You don't have to do any of those things. In fact, you don't have, they are not there. Those responsibilities are not there. You are just collecting dividends, you're collecting profits every now and then, just from a minimum. You can invest as little as $100 using 1,500 rand. So basically, you just have to know this knowledge, guys. If you don't know it, then you will never know. So right now, I'm teaching you guys. So make sure you click that subscribe button because more information is coming, guys. This is the beginning of it. This is the beginning of it. This is the time where you have someone to lean on. You can lean on me, no problem at all. So, guys, this is the end of the video. If you want more, guys, click the like button and also click the subscribe button. So every time I post a new video, you get an alert on your phone telling you that I've posted a new video. You'll be the first to watch it. Anyways, guys, for you to see my previous videos, go back on my channel, see my latest videos and learn from that because I teach Forex, I teach online space. That's what I do. So if you want to learn more, guys, go in my previous videos and watch more. If you want any of my services, of course, I'm selling a Forex robot that can trade for you. If you want any of my services, you can see the number down below. Just contact me. I'll be there to assist you all the way. Guys, Amara here. Peace.